For advertisers, one of the biggest challenges today is extending reach and improving precision across an increasingly fragmented TV landscape without adding complexity. With programmatic linear, agencies and advertisers can do just that. FreeWheel and Comcast Advertising partnered with Dentsu to tap into emerging programmatic linear capabilities. Through FreeWheel Buyer Cloud, they added programmatic linear TV into their existing mix of programmatic streaming alongside their traditional linear campaign. The result? A more unified, data-driven campaign that expanded reach, delivering 20% more households on streaming and 35% incremental reach on linear, demonstrating that programmatic linear can enhance performance alongside existing TV investments. Programmatic linear doesn't replace linear or streaming, it complements it, creating a more unified way to plan, buy, and measure TV. Learn more and connect with us at buyercloud.com.